Hi, good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's live session. If you're someone who's looking to secure your financial future, this video is for you. Today, we're exploring how three powerful tools, blockchain technology, Bitcoin, and gold, are the ultimate combination. And they can work together for your financial security. So today, we're going to break down how blockchain supports investments, why diversification into digital assets is crucial, and we're going to compare the benefits of investing in gold versus in cryptocurrencies. So stick around and let's get started. But before I begin, let me welcome you. If you're joining me live, thanks for joining. And if you're joining me on the replay, let me know by typing #replay in the comments below this video. And for those who don't know me, again, I'll introduce myself. I'm Carol Simon. I'm a former accountant of 30 years experience turned digital entrepreneur, an exciting world. And I leverage continuous financial education from top industry leaders to empower Generation X and others who are, a few others as well, who are not in that bracket, to exclusively to fast track their financial independence and their financial freedom. So let's start with blockchain. Blockchain technology is the foundation of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its use goes far beyond digital money. Blockchain is a decentralized and a secure system that records transactions in a transparent and unchangeable way. This means that when you invest in, for example, Bitcoin, your transactions are verified and recorded across multiple computers worldwide, and it makes it nearly impossible to alter or hack. And here's something else that you might not know. Blockchain is also being used to track and verify gold ownership. Some companies are even utilizing blockchain to ensure that gold investments are transparent, that they are fraud-proof and easily traceable. So whether you're interested in digital currencies or physical gold, blockchain is a game changer that can provide a secure foundation for both types of investments. Now, it's really important to cover diversification, one of the most important principles in long-term financial planning. The idea here is simple. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different types of assets, and here I'm not giving you investment advice per se, but I'm giving you good practice or common sense practice for those, and living examples based on what the wealthy do. And by spreading your assets, you actually reduce the risk of increasing the chances of growing your wealth over time. You increase the chance of growing your wealth over time, And traditional investments like gold have long been seen as safe havens in times of economic instability. Gold has held its value for thousands of years and is often turned to during inflation or financial crisis. But in today's digital age, we have more options. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin offer a whole new way to diversify. And unlike gold, Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning no government or institution controls it. It's also considered a deflationary asset with a limited supply that's capped at 21 million coins. This scarcity adds to its potential for long-term value appreciation. And we all know that while cryptocurrencies can be volatile in the short term, the technology behind them, especially if they have utility, blockchain offers the kind of security and transparency we discussed earlier. So when you combine Bitcoin's growth potential with gold stability, you create a balanced portfolio that can weather various financial storms. Let's take a moment to compare gold and cryptocurrencies as investment options. Both have their unique benefits, and the choice between them often depends on your personal goals and your risk tolerance. But gold is timeless, it's a physical asset that you can hold in your hand, and it's been a store of value for thousands of years. In times of inflation or economic uncertainty, people often flock to gold because it's seen as a safe, reliable asset. Its value doesn't fluctuate as well as other assets, which makes it a stable choice, especially for long-term investors. And we need to think long-term when we think about wealth creation. On the other hand, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and digital assets, they are intangible. They represent innovation and are part of a rapidly growing financial ecosystem. Cryptocurrencies offer the potential for high returns, but also come with great volatility. Unlike gold, which is relatively stable, cryptocurrencies can experience significant price swings in short periods. Therefore, first of all, I would say not to get involved in cryptocurrencies unless you know what you're doing. And don't look into cryptocurrency as a short-term solution, because then they're definitely not that. And also make sure you also seek education, so you know, because not all cryptocurrencies are of value. So it's also knowing where where, you know, if you choose to go into that field, where to put your funds. Very important to be educated first. But these, but if you also know what you're doing, you can also take advantage of price swings if you know what you're doing, because they also create opportunities for high gains if you're willing to accept more risk. So, question is, which one should you choose? The beauty of investing today is that you don't have to pick just one. You can enjoy the best of both worlds by diversifying into both gold and cryptocurrencies. And by doing this, you protect yourself with gold stability while also tapping into the growth potential of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and other digital assets. So if you're serious about achieving financial independence, now is the time to consider diversifying into both gold and cryptocurrencies. By embracing the power of blockchain technology, you can ensure that your investments are secure and yet you are positioned for growth. Now, if you found this interesting or curious or valuable, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on more tips for financial freedom. Now, do drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on investing in gold or crypto. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear your experiences. But what I want to say is, let us start taking control today of our financial future. That's what I'm all about, taking control and securing your future for yourself and for your next generation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.